'Cause I know it's hard sometimes. Maybe just give it some time. Oh, honey, now, girl, we can solve them. If you just give me some time, I can open up your mind. If you let
Alright guys, I had to put my do-rag on because my hair started frizzling up, but because it's insanely hot in here with all these lights. But anyway, hope you liked the video. If you have any questions about the items, I'll try to link everything in the description. Also, if you have any questions about the shoes or something, you can just comment and I'll try to answer. Yeah, I hope you liked the video. Comment your favorite outfit. Comment what you would wear with the Foamrunners. But yeah, it's Yeezy season, so if you don't already got a pair of Yeezys, you might as well just hop on board. But I guess that's all for my YouTube video. Thank you for watching. If you don't know me, or if you don't know me, my name's Kai. I guess subscribe, like, and comment, and follow me on all my social medias. I post more often on here than on YouTube. But yeah, that's it for the video. I guess I'll see y'all next video, hopefully. And still don't have an outro, probably never will, but I guess I'll just end it with a goodbye. But I guess see y'all later. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much for everything. I appreciate every single one of y'all. Thank you.
now I'm